Thank you so much, Kylie. Let's get a look at your weather forecast. I think this is the week we've all been eagerly anticipating, April.
It's here, and we just have been waiting and waiting, I would say since May, for a cool down. That's the last time we were in the double digits, and that's the change that we're going to see, in addition to some cooler morning temperatures. So let's talk first about the changes you can expect today. We're hanging on to, although they are slight, rain and thunderstorm chances today. Now, although they are slight, today's the only day this week we've really got storm chances in your valley forecast. We're going to dry it out after that, and then that's going to bring in some cooler temperatures, really starting tomorrow. We've got widespread wind on tap for today. Boy, it's windy out there already. If you have not been outside in the last couple of hours, the winds have really picked up, not only in the deserts of the state, but especially in the high country, where a wind advisory is now in effect. 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. Gusts up to 45 miles per hour. Sustained winds in this area are near about 25 to 30 miles per hour right now from Kingman over through Flagstaff. And these are winds out of the south-southwest, so dangerous crosswinds on east-west highways like I-40. We also may have some dust on the I-8 and the I-10 in the southern edges of town, because we're seeing some wind, but we're not seeing any rain. I'll show you the radar here in a moment. Having a look outside, a nice little mix of clouds and sun. 98 degrees, staying in the double digits for now. We're going to warm it up a little more, though, toward the afternoon hours. 58-degree dew point, so we're feeling a little bit humid out there still, and winds are at 20 miles per hour in the valley out of the south. The closest rain is off to our east. We're watching these storms pop up and push off toward the northeast right now. But here's kind of what we're looking at. Any of these little pop-up showers that may continue to impact the valley into the afternoon and even evening hours. Still some showers and thunderstorms in the White Mountains as well. And a few in northeastern Arizona, some that have been a bit stronger. No watches or warnings related to these, but again, some thunder, lightning, and some heavier rain with this one headed up toward Chinle. That holds together. So our overall weather picture here is that going into the afternoon hours, we're going to see showers and thunderstorms continue mainly in eastern Arizona. This has been some kind of tropical moisture moving up from the south. That's what we thought was going to move into the valley yesterday, but it all shifted off to the east. We have this trough moving by to the north of us. This is what's driving the wind, and this is what behind it is going to bring in some cooler air. So high temperatures today are down a little bit from where we've been. Upper 60s in Flag, 73 in Payson, and 79 in Prescott, and 101 in the valley. But tomorrow morning, I think, is going to be the first noticeable change. Our low this morning in the valley was 83. Tomorrow morning, an almost 10-degree drop. 74 for downtown Phoenix means the outlying areas are going to be in the upper 60s. 44 tomorrow morning in Flagstaff, 55 in Payson, and some mid-50s in Prescott and Payson. And for the valley, our morning lows get even cooler later this week, down to the 60s, even upper 50s possible in outlying areas. And this is our last triple-digit day for a while. Not for the year, but for a while. We're going to get a nice stretch of highs in the 90s. In fact, all the way through your Saturday.
Okay, it is a very well